to set up alarm clock on a Redmi A7 Pro, you can just simply search for the clock app on your phone. It should be, of course, installed. And once you open the app, of course, make sure that all the permissions are granted. Over here, make sure that you have alarms or alarm category selected. And in here, if you want to create an alarm, you just have to use this plus button in the bottom right corner. Then over here, you need to choose when the alarm should go off. So let's say I'm gonna set it to 9 AM. There we go. You can then choose the ringtone, whether the alarm should be repeatable or not. So if you tap on this option, you can choose when it should repeat, when it should go off. You can also toggle vibrations, and also you can immediately delete the alarm once it goes off. So if this is a one-time alarm only, then you can of course automatically delete it afterwards. And you can also set up a label or a name for the alarm. Once you set everything up, you can use this check in the upper right corner of this menu. And there we go. We can use the switcher in order to enable or disable the alarm. Of course, there's also one pre-added alarm that you can also use if you want to. And if the alarm is repeatable, if you try to turn it off, you can decide if you want to turn it off only for tomorrow or completely. You can tap on the alarm in order to customize it in case you want to make some changes. And if you want to delete an alarm, you can just simply press and hold your finger in order to select it. You can of course select multiple alarms at once, and then you can tap delete at the bottom of the screen. Leave a like and subscribe.